Hello pre. Si Jubel to, kayo kanina. Tanong mo lang, may malapit ba restaurant dito?
Check natin kung may malapit na.
Sa harapan. Dito na dito kami sa likod. Sa likod natin.
Likod ng Jarir Rabwa.
Ga. Pasha.
Pasha ba, sir? Right right side.
Roasted.
Roasted? No need roasted, yeah, baby.
Kapsa.
We will die.
Kapsa dito. Okay. Yun lang parts kasi hindi nga ito bisado rito. Puro bahay lang naman kasi dito.
Yeah, go right, get right.
Ayaw gusto ni highway. Lapit lang naman, no?
Number one.
Okay.
That's why, bro, if we go to the mall, there's so many not roasted there. There's seafood.
There also. Is it?
Medyo mainit na. Buti na lang naka-jacket tayo. Tsaka naka-sombrero.
Then you need Chinese food.
Ayo.
Also, we need noodles. Noodles or fried rice.
Okay. Saan different? The last year I visit that mall. Yung pangalan nun, kinain na natin. Yung mall na North Ring Road ba yun? Hindi. Al Hayat. Al Hayat Mall.
Hayat.
Oo, Hayat Mall. Doon marami pagkain. May seafood. I think Pasha, that is a Hayat Mall.
You want to go back there
Food
in
court.
Hyatt Mall?
Food court.
I need to go to North Ring.
North Ring?
North Ring from here, we'll go North Ring. We'll drive. There is a bus also to North Ring from there. 5 o'clock, 4:30.
I want to meet your guy.
Yeah.
Okay,
There are
let's
some
see.
stops, okay. No stops?
No more stuff. It's,
Yeah, I sent him a message, still he didn't reply. I asked him, do you have any extra stocks? Yeah, he replied. Tell him, come, I will give you.
Okay.
Meet your friends.
Ayaw ka, KFC.
I don't want to give you. No, right.
Pit bulwak na ako sa pit sa manok na ano eh, prito eh.
Gabriel also, we will not eat also chicken. Puro lang kami.
Tayo mag-aabang. Manbas. Nakakadakan. Car accessories.
Let's go.
Fakar. Sana Fakar.
Where are we?
Hari.
Ah, Nas, he was telling Nas, yes. Let's go Nas.
And it's expensive, Habibi. There's a fish. That fish.
Problem. Abili ito ng rice. So, nandito na tayo sa pero kainan ng mga isda. Hanap tayo ng isda rito. Meron. Check na muna kung may isda. Ang bilis. Kahanap tayo ng ating kakainan. Hanap tayo ng pwede natin kainan. Isda. Takbo.
May ba kainan ba dito sa ano? North Ring?
Ha?
May kainan doon?
Hindi pa kabisa.
Diretso na ba? Wala na naman.
Hanap kami ng pwede namin kainan. Puntahan yung tropa niya.
Tapos na eh. Oris, wala na.
Wala makukuha na. Kakatamad na yun. Kukuha tayo ilang piraso lang din. Magdaritig lang tayo ng extra. Hindi lang.
Because after that, plus Europe visit, one time, one place.